What's up, YouTube? We back at it again with another video. Same day, like y'all saw in the last video. Got a little mod that came in, so we're gonna be installing that today. Hopefully, it doesn't start raining because it was raining a little bit earlier when I was out. But we're gonna go ahead and get this installed. So I did order a carbon fiber front lip from, I forgot the name, Next Gen Speed. I'm gonna go ahead and take this stuff out. We're gonna check it out. Oh, they also sent me a little license plate holder. I'll probably change it out because the one I got is from my dealership and it's chrome, so I'll probably like the black a little bit better. So let me go ahead and take all this stuff out. All right, y'all, so here it is. Kind of did like a little mock-up of what it's supposed to look like. Of course, it's that hydro dip shit. Let's be honest with you. I'll probably be scared to actually put like real carbon fiber on the front of it, because I know that this lip is probably gonna get messed up. But honestly, I'm gonna wait till my bag get bigger to be able to just blow hundreds of dollars on a front lip that I know it's already gonna be messed up. So I guess let me go ahead and get this together, and then we'll go out to the car and get that ready. All right, y'all, so they did give me a bunch of these longer screws and then some of these shorter screws. So, you know, this don't come with no instruction manual, but the ends and the middle part, when you put those together, it's gonna be two right here and then two on the other side. So you're gonna use the short screws to put it all together. Then, you know, I mean, I guess common sense, but then the long screws, I'm gonna go through these when you put it on the car. So let me finish putting this together. All right, y'all, so I ran into a problem. Well, it's not a problem, but it's just like all these little screws, I needed two more. But I already had these little drywall screws. Now they too big, so I'm just gonna leave them like that, barely in there. And I have to be careful because on the other side, I can feel it starting to poke through just like a little tiny bit. But now I don't really feel it actually. But yeah, so I'd say probably get an extra two screws if you guys order from the website, or maybe it was just something, you know, that they messed up on. They just didn't send enough by accident, or I don't know. But I need two more, so I'm gonna use some extra screws that I got and just barely tighten them in there. And then I'll finally be done with this, and then we can go to the car and figure out how I'm gonna do this. Well, what I do plan on doing, I'm probably gonna put some double-sided tape on here so then I could be able to position it, since I'm by myself, be able to position it on there good. And then once I get it sticking on there, then I'm gonna start drilling into the bumper. All right, y'all, we outside. Man, it got cold, but I went ahead and put double-sided Gorilla Tape up on here, 3M tape, whatever you want to. Well, I think it's Gorilla Tape. And I'm just gonna use that to position it on the car, and it's burp in my damn car. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it positioned. My car needs a car wash, but I'm gonna go ahead and get it positioned on there and see how I want it to fit, and then I'm gonna start drilling the hose. All right, y'all, so I got the sticky tape to stay on there. It looks decent on there, I ain't gonna lie. It's about pretty much even. So now I'm gonna start drilling the holes into it. All right, y'all, I ain't gonna cap. I wasn't about to film me trying to screw it in and do all that, but I did get it looking pretty good on there. I do have my rods coming in. I don't know where my rod's at. The splitter came in a pretty decent time, and I had some rods I wanted to try to install, but I don't know where they at. But hey, I do recommend jacking up your car at least a little bit. I just had to jack it up a little bit. And yeah, sorry if I'm sniffing. It's cold out here, man. It got cold. But I do recommend jacking up your car just so you can get that a little bit more room. See, I can't even talk right now, bro. I'm sorry, y'all. This is gonna be a thing every video. I can't talk, but you know, I got my little Black & Decker drill. I use a little. Damn, my GoPro died on me, man. But I did have my drill. Just drilled it all in. I try to get it as center as I can. I can see the sticky tape a little bit. You know, I used the drill, did it as best as I can, try to center as best as I can. If you look closer, you can see the little double-sided tape But now that I got the holes drilled in, I could just take it out, take it off, take the sticky tape off, and then re-put it on there. But it looks pretty good, man. My GoPro about to die, so I'll probably get. All right, y'all. I went ahead and got my little car wash. $9. You know, car washes don't even be cleaning your car that good, bro. But I was like, man, at least let me not look dusty. But it's the front sweater, man. Man, I knew I should have put like a little time-lapse thing on me putting this on. But man, I was trying to get this done. And at first I was just, you know, trying to mock it up. But it's kind of hard when it's just you by yourself. But shout outs to my daughter. If she didn't help me with this, it would have been probably twice as hard. I had it hold up one side when I got one side perfect, and I did the other side and screwed it in. I did use double-sided tape to keep it in place after we found the perfect spot. I mean, it's not gonna be, you know, perfect, but man, maybe I could take, like, since I got everything drilled in, I can like take the splitter off and then just take that double-sided tape off, because now it's popping out to me. But we're gonna go ahead, just leave it like that for now. Look at them lights. But yeah, we're just gonna leave it like that for now. And yeah, it looks good. I mean, I drilled. I forgot how many holes. I don't even know if y'all can see that, man. Y'all can't even see that when I drilled. It had like pre-drilled holes and everything, so it made it easier. Some just had a circle around it. I don't know why, but made it pretty easy, and it looks pretty good. I got a couple compliments on it already. I'm liking it, man. So tell me what y'all think in the comments, man. I'm gonna leave a link to this splitter in the comments. You can get black, you know, the carbon look. You can get matte. I think those are the only ones you can do. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good. What y'all think? I would recommend y'all getting somebody else's help with this shit, because by yourself, this shit is unless you have something to prop it up. But I definitely want to pick a time to take out this double-sided tape, man. That is bugging me. Damn, what happened to my voice? But all right, y'all. I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna get me something to eat. I gotta go to work soon. It's nice out on this beautiful day. Damn, I'm fucking up. It's nice out. It's a beautiful day. I gotta take my black ass to work inside, but it is summer now, so you know we gonna be out. I ain't gonna lie. If I showed y'all my MPG went from average to like a 15, 16. Now it's at 12 and going lower and lower, bro. Like, everybody loves this car, so you know I gotta. I see 12. What they doing over here? But you know I always gotta hit it for them. I can't help it, man. This car is fun as hell. Man, just imagine if I had the Scatty, the white body Scatty, or the Hellcat, you know what I'm saying? But nah, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Make sure you do all that like, sharing, and commenting. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe for me, man. I'll see y'all in the next one.